I have this unfinished banner, and you want to start by removing the jute from the top and putting that aside, so we're going to be using that later. I found this tablecloth at Christmas Tree Shop, and I just took a piece of it and then took some tape and put it across the bottom of the tag so I can paint the tails Higgins Lake by Wise Owl and have a nice clean straight line. Once dry, I sanded it quickly for a nice clean finish and removed the tape. Now this little white border at the bottom of our tablecloth, we need to get rid of that, and you want to concentrate on the blue pumpkin. You're going to take the plastic backing off of the tissue paper or off of the tablecloth, and I'm using 1 hour enamel and a foam brush and applying it over the entire tag and then laying my paper down on the wet 1 hour enamel. Using a brayer to remove some of the wrinkles, and you want to use saran wrap as a barrier. And guys, Mod Podge works fine. And then you're going to apply a top coat of whatever glue you choose. We're using 1 hour enamel and allowing that to dry. Once fully dry, we took a piece of sandpaper and just scooting across the edges. It removes the excess paper that's hanging over and gives a nice clean edge. Comes off quite easy. Now I'm going to use a screwdriver or a nail to poke a hole where my jute once was, and I'm going to reapply the jute hanger. I'm going to take this little metal sign that I have. It's called Harvest. And I'm applying the E6000 as my glue. And I'm trying to place it kind of where the paper and the Higgins Lake meet. I'm removing any excess glue with a little baby wipe. Then I'm taking this cranberry plaid ribbon and cutting a section of it. I'm using pinking shears. You can use regular scissors. You could put tails at the either end of your ribbon. And then I'm just taking a piece of jute and tying it in the center to create my bow. And then with the excess jute, I'm tying it around the bottom left-hand side of the hanger and tying it with a knot there. And here you go. Now you have this cute little Harvest fall home decor. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all of our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.